puppy. I just got your gift, and I'm opening it in front of you because I know you're fucking weird and you like presents to be opened in front of you. Oh, there's a card.
Socks.
Aww. Oh, it's from Jeremy. It's not from Chris at all.
Well, Lauren, I hope it's to you.
I don't know if this is for me. It's from Jeremy.
It's to you.
Stand by.
What does the card say?
It says, Merry Christmas. It was so great getting to hang out. Thanks for letting us stay. Can't wait to hang out again very soon. From Jeremy. Baby girl, I think that's your gift. All right.
But I didn't really like...
I'm pretty sure that's for you.
Oh my god. Like, where's...
I don't know. I mean, it seems like that would be for you.
Oh my god. Like... yeah, I was not aware of this. Are you sure? Like...
I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. What is it?
It's a circle necklace.
Aw.
It's not very good.
Oh, that's pretty.
It really is.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Jeremy's gift to you. Aww.
I don't even know what to say.
That's really sweet.
Yeah, it really is. Are we sure? This is like...
No, I'm pretty sure because it's from Jeremy. And Chris sent me his, and you know he wouldn't give the credit to Jeremy.
I don't even know what to say.
Do you like it?
I really love it.
Oh. Do you want to tell him anything?
Thank you. Like, this is very special.
Oh.
So I appreciate it.
Wow.
Wow. I did not expect this at all. Wow.
Aw, Brandy.
Hang on.
That's super
Talk to me
sweet.
again. Michael.